Software development estimation is a tedious and challenging process. Estim8 is a tool that allows you and your team to easily manage your user stories, estimate, validate, and share your software development projects in PDF with your clients. And for your teams, you can export the whole project and task structure in project management tools such as Jira, Asana, Trello, and Basecamp. We've worked hard to make this process easier for us, and after more than 200 successful implementations, we've seen a 75% increase in estimation accuracy and much better progress tracking. This means a lot of time and money saved. Today, we'd like to share this experience with you and give you access to Estim8. Estim8 is integrated straight from the login screen with Jira, Asana, Trello, and Basecamp, so you don't need to remember one more login. When you're logged in, you can see the projects in your group with multiple estimations possible per project, since projects can have multiple phases. As soon as you enter the details of a project, you can see which people have been working on the estimation, the validation status of the estimation, the team size, sprint duration, and working hours used in the calculations of the project estimation. The backlog items are divided into user stories with a number of tasks linked to them. For each user story or task, you can assign a number of estimated working hours, assumptions, notes, or raise issues to make sure you don't miss anything during the estimation process. It's very easy to add, reorder, or delete user stories and tasks within a project. The sum of the estimated time for development hours is shown at the bottom of the section. Below the main estimation area, you will find an area called Additional Time Required that is either automatically calculated based on the initial settings of number of sprints, team size, and working hours, or can be manually modified to match your own internal processes, or can also be completely turned off. The sections include Scrum and non-Scrum activities for the developers, Scrum activities for the Scrum Master, time for documentation and for testing. The total time for these activities and the development activities are then summed up to provide the total project hours. Finally, there is a section where you can add general comments and assumptions about the project that you want to share with all the parties involved. At the bottom right of the screen, you can export the project information in PDF, or you can export all the user stories in one click to Jira, Asana, Trello, and Basecamp. The PDF feature is great for your clients and other parties, as it contains all the information for decision makers in a clean format. The export estimation feature for Jira, Asana, Trello, and Basecamp allows you to fully export tasks in these tools and create the whole structure of the project in a matter of seconds without having to write a single word. This saves you a lot of time, and you can make sure that your development teams will follow what has been discussed prior to the start of the project. Here are the exported user stories in Jira, Asana, and Trello. Why don't you give Estim8 a try and see for yourself?